No, I should be using a towel. I'm using a paper towel. And I'm gonna show y'all what this paper towel do, okay? I'm gonna show y'all what these paper towels do.